Mastering Demonstratives, a step-by-step guide. Hello learners! Welcome to today's English language learning video. We're focusing on an essential topic within grammar fundamentals today: demonstratives. This video will help you identify and correct errors related to this subject. But first, let's briefly explain what demonstratives are. Demonstratives are words we use to specify whether something we refer to is near or far in distance or time, and they also show whether things are singular or plural. In English, the demonstratives are this, that, these, those. This and that are used with singular nouns, while these and those are used with plural nouns. This and these are for things near us, and that and those are for things farther away. Recognizing errors with demonstratives involves understanding how they are used in sentences. Here's an incorrect sentence: "This cats are cute." The error here is that this is being used with the plural noun, cats. The correct sentence should be, "These cats are cute." To correct errors with demonstratives, you need to match the demonstrative with the correct noun number and the distance or time implied. Let's correct this sentence: "That book are interesting." The error here is with the verb are, which is incorrectly used with the singular noun, book. The correct sentence should be, "That book is interesting." Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to test your knowledge. Try to spot the errors in the following sentences. 1. This dogs bark a lot. 2. These apple is juicy. 3. That pencils are too sharp. Try to correct these sentences and share your answers in the comments. That's it for today, learners. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of demonstratives, how to identify errors associated with them, and how to correct such errors. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing these exercises. Stay tuned for more lessons on grammar fundamentals. Happy learning!